Started with a whisper over coffee at Susanna's, a half-heard sentence that rolled like thunder under the silverware. By noon it was a storm. They said he'd been seen at McGinney's with someone new. They said I looked tired, that maybe love had finally run out of gas. Funny how folks who never lived a day of your story think they can rewrite it. I stood by the window of the store and watched the rain begin to fall, each drop carrying another light through the gutters of this town. Connor came out back to load the truck, his shirt clinging to his shoulders, that same mask, smile pinned in place. Our eyes met for a second that felt like forever. Two people standing in a downpour of other people's words. He shook his head like it didn't matter, but I saw the cracks forming in him and me. By evening the streets were muddy, the air heavy with lightning and half-truths. I drove past the church and heard